I'm very pleased to receive this recognition. This was a committee of many, many people, which has evolved into a board, and we've all worked really hard to get this project done, but I'm honored to accept the award on behalf of the Turning Point Suffragist Memorial. Our cause is something that is so important. It's just the advancement of the understanding of the importance of the vote and the story of women's suffrage as told through the eyes of the suffragists. And at the Turning Point Memorial, we will be telling that story, and it's very exciting. We've broken ground. I couldn't be happier. It will be completed in August of 2020. I'll be speaking at the board meeting, and I'm thrilled to represent Turning Point and also speak on behalf of the other two honorees who are well deserving of the honor. They've also are telling the story of suffrage.
The recognition today is for valiant women of the vote. It is honoring women who supported the suffrage movement and their ability to continue to support the suffrage movement even now in this day and time. I'm greatly honored to be recognized today. My section of the National Council of Negro Women, we have been working in the county and around the area to make sure that women are able to vote, make sure that everyone wants to be counted for the census, and also making sure that we're continuing to leave a legacy of women voters. Because this is the 100-year anniversary of the suffrage movement, and so this is a great year for us to re-energize, refocus, and get the word out about the importance of women's suffrage and the pioneers of the women's suffrage movement, and to recognize and honor them, and also have people like myself who are the new generation leave a legacy to continue so that our young women and men are able to understand the importance of the suffrage movement.
I'm very honored to have received the recognition from the Commission for the work that I did in developing the Lucy Burns Museum. I was responsible from the very beginning, did the research for the museum, selected the photographs, did most of the writing for the museum, and supervised the actual construction of the museum with the help of a contractor, of course. The theme this year is honoring valiant women, and there are no more valiant women than the suffragists who were imprisoned at the Workhouse at Lorton in 1917. But to think about women who were so dedicated to the vote that they were willing to put their lives on the line, it is our responsibility right now to honor their memory, to vote in every election, in every circumstance.